Hi guys, today we discuss about 7 tips to make money in 20s. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Number 1. Determine your investment goals. Before you dive in, you'll want to think about the goals you're trying to achieve by investing. It's ultimately looking at all the experiences you want to have over your lifetime and then prioritizing those things, says 𝗪𝗪𝘀, a financial planner at 𝗪𝗪𝘀 in Cincinnati. For some people, maybe they want to travel every single year, or they want to purchase a car in 2 years, and they also want to retire at age 65. It's crafting the investment plan to make sure that those things are possible. The accounts you use for short-term goals, like travel, will differ from those you open for long-term retirement goals. Number 2. Contribute to an employer-sponsored retirement plan. 20-somethings who begin investing through an employer-sponsored tax-advantaged retirement plan can benefit from decades of compounding. Most often, that plan comes in the form of a 401k. A 401k allows you to invest money on a pre-tax basis, up to $45,000 in 2023 for those under age 50, that grows tax-deferred until it's withdrawn in retirement. Many employers also offer a Roth 401k option, which allows employees to make after-tax contributions that grow tax-free, and you'll pay no taxes when taking withdrawals during retirement. Many companies also match employees' contributions up to a certain percentage. You always want to contribute enough to at least get that match, because otherwise you're just walking away from more or less free money. Number 3. Open an individual retirement account, IRA. Another way to continue your long-term investment strategy is with an individual retirement account, or IRA. There are 2 main IRA options, traditional and Roth. Contributions to a traditional IRA are similar to a 401k, in that they go in on a pre-tax basis and are not taxed until withdrawal. Roth IRA contributions, on the other hand, go into the account after tax, and qualified distributions may be withdrawn tax-free. Investors younger than age 50 are allowed to contribute up to $6,000 to IRAs in 2022, but that number will jump to $6,500 in 2023. Experts generally recommend a Roth IRA over a traditional IRA for 20-somethings because they're more likely to be in a lower tax bracket than they will be at retirement age. Number 4. Find a broker or robo-advisor that meets your needs. For longer-term goals that aren't necessarily retirement-related, like a down payment on a future home or your child's education expenses, brokerage accounts are a great option. And with the advent of online brokers such as Fidelity and Schwab, as well as robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront, they're more accessible than ever for young people who may be starting out with little money. These companies offer low fees, reasonable minimums, and educational resources for new investors, and your investments can often be made easily through an app on your phone. Number 5. Consider leveraging a financial advisor. If you don't want to go the robo-advisor route, a human financial advisor can also be a great resource for beginning investors. While it is the more expensive option, they'll work with you to establish goals, assess risk tolerance, and find the brokerage accounts that best fit your needs. They can help you choose where to direct the funds in your retirement accounts as well. A financial advisor will also use their expertise to steer you in the right investment direction. While it's easy for some young investors to get caught up in the excitement of daily market highs and lows, a financial advisor understands how the long game works. Number 6. Keep short-term savings somewhere easily accessible, like your emergency fund, which you may need to access at a moment's notice. Store your short-term investments somewhere easily accessible and not subject to market fluctuations. While they won't earn as much as money you put into equities, savings accounts, CDs, and money market accounts are great options. If you need the money available in a couple years, then it shouldn't be invested in the stock market, Menk says. It should be invested in those more secure vehicles like a CD or money market where, yes, you might be giving up some potential growth, but it's more important to have the return of your money instead of a return on your money. Number 7. Increase your savings over time. Establishing a savings amount that you can stick to and having a plan to increase that over time is one of the best things you can do in your 20s. Committing to a specific savings rate and continuing to increase that year after year is what's going to have the biggest impact early in your savings career to get you started. According to 𝗪𝘀, by starting this habit in your 20s, you'll make it easier on yourself as you get older and won't have to worry about taking extreme savings measures later to meet your long-term financial goals. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the end, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.